So this is the hair I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to have all the details in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I sew on an elastic band so that you have the completely glueless frontal. First thing you want to do is take your elastic band, and I'm going to measure from ear to ear. I'm just measuring from the back of one ear to the back of the other ear. You want to pull on the elastic band a little bit so that it is stretched but not too much, because if you pull it too much, then it's going to get too tight. Now that I like how that is, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the elastic band right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and start threading my needle. So now I'm going to start sewing on the elastic band, and I'm just putting in how I want it to stay inside the wig. You want to make sure that the two ends of the elastic band are facing inside the wig and not outside the wig, if that makes sense. It has to be facing inward and not outward. Go ahead and start sewing it, and I'm just going to sew it right where the combs of the wig are, like where close to your ear basically is where you want to sew the elastic band on the two sides. If you haven't liked this video yet, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. I beg you, please. It really helps me. Thank you so much. So now this is basically what it looks like after sewing it. I'm going to go ahead and try it on now just to see what it looks like. And this one fit perfectly. It wasn't too tight and it wasn't too loose, so I was happy with this one. If your elastic band ever is too loose, you can either take it off and sew it again, or you can just pinch one side of the elastic band and just sew it to be a bit tighter. I hope that makes sense. Basically slim fit the elastic band is what I'm saying. So next thing you want to go ahead and do is cut off the lace, and I was cutting it on my head at first, but I took it down and just cut it off of my head. Is that correct? Whatever. I took out the wig and I started cutting off the lace because it was just a lot easier like that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start styling the wig, and I'm making a part, and I'm just going to go with my got to be glued mousse and use that to tame the parting space. I'm literally not doing too much. I'm just basically doing a very basic side part. Next, I'm going in with my edge control just to create some baby hairs. This is completely optional, but I just wanted to do it just cause. And this is basically what it turned out to look like. It looks amazing, and as you can see, it's completely glueless. You can take it out and put it back on your head and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.